Hello, my fellow humans. We are in the day and age of robots taking over our planet. It's your boy Llama Connor here live once again. Welcome to another Keycap review, guys. This one is a little special. Again, it doesn't really fit any themes. Kind of my intrusive thoughts kick in a little bit here. But if I had to point it somewhere, it will be the spooky vibes. This one is from one of my favorite games out there. It's called Nier Automata. Specifically, I found this robot named Emil, I believe. Not only that, the vendor was nice enough to send an additional keycap here, which I'm not too sure it is from the same universe. I could be wrong, but I do appreciate it's very unique. It's a transparent blue. Not only that, the Emil keycap, I'm not sure you can see from the other side there, the two little holes, the eyes are transparent, so when you put it on a RGB keyboard, you can see the lights coming through, and that's such a cool effect. And yeah, this is from the game Nier Automata. Maybe you guys know the game, maybe you guys don't. There is an anime out there, which the anime is amazing. Okay, maybe I should not promote the anime. Maybe I should. If you guys don't play the video games, if you're not into that, it's a very long and slow video game. Not only that, there's like multiple endings. If you don't have time for that, watch the anime. Although it's best to play the video game and watch the anime, so you have the best of both worlds, and you can come to your own conclusions of like the whole story and what each character signifies and all the ideas they're talking about. But I know it could be a little bit confusing with the flashbacks and forward backs and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, back to the keyboard here. Oh geez. Yeah, we have Emil. I'm not going to go into the backstory because you should play the game, but this robot had a mind of its own. Look at that. It's clean, it's cut. It could fit in any profile of a key, I believe. Honestly, it's so shallow and nice. Yeah, it's very clean cut. It's made of plastic. The painting doesn't look as hand painted. It doesn't look hand painted, so I think it's like a print on, which I love. I don't like things hand painted because you can see the scratches. But this is like a nice print, boom, right in your face. And yeah, it's kind of creepy, you know. Like that's hence why I wanted to get it. It's from one of my favorite video games, and it looks creepy. It's amazing. And this other one, I'm not too sure what this one's about, but to be honest with you, I'm just going to claim that it's from my other favorite video game called Kingdom Hearts. And I'm just going to assume that this whole star is the inspiration of it all. I just want to pretend this is from Kingdom Hearts. Even though the star is not quite the same, I'm going to pretend. Regardless, it doesn't fit the aquatic aesthetic as well. It is beautiful. It's very light. Obviously, it won't fit in the other profiles, so it's more like another R4 keycap profile. But yeah, it's very nice, very clean cut. It's blue transparency. It's quite unique, and I really love that. So thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate everything you have done. Yeah, and if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
Do you know the way?
From an empty sea,
What does that even mean anymore?